Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a project update of this beautiful 7,500 square foot smart home. If you didn't see phase one of the original video, we'll give you a recap. Let's go. All right, so last time we were here, there was a bunch of cables, it was an organized mess, and as you can see, we're starting to get things in order. This is the brains of the operation and where everything is going to happen in this house. As you can see, we got our trunks laid out, we got our networking, we have our shades, we have our audio, and we got our rack. Nothing has been connected yet, but I'll give you a rundown of what we have here so you understand what's going on out there. Our network is always going to be at the top. This is going to be a fully control for this is going to be a fully control for home with 16 zones of audio. So we have our matrix and our amplifiers, video amplifiers, receivers, and our control for system. Right now, this might not mean much to you, but when I bring you back for the final completion, you're gonna see a bunch of wires, and this is going to be connected, and some cool stuff is going to be going on out there. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, I'm gonna take center stage as I give you a walkthrough of this beauty. We're currently in the game room. Last time that you guys were here, there was no speakers installed, only pre-construction rings. Last week we came by, we installed all of the speakers because right now, we're getting to the finish line and we're headed there fast. Another thing that you will notice, literally right above me, it's an access point. At this stage is where we installed anything that's going on the wall. The speakers downstairs are invisible. I'll take you downstairs in a second, but up here in this game room, we have a 5.1 surround sound. Speakers are installed, and there's a subwoofer that is going to go back there that we will be installing on our next trip out. All right, you guys see that speaker right there? You can't, because they're invisible speakers that were installed at the construction stages. This right here is a 5.1 surround sound with the Stealth Acoustic invisible speakers that we installed months ago. We are going to have an 85-inch television that's an 85-inch Samsung television that is going to be mounted right here. We're going to be pulling audio out of this television and send it into the speakers in the ceiling. One of the things that I do want to point out that you can actually kind of see here is this subwoofer. Whenever we come back and install the vent, it's going to look like an AC vent, but down here and everywhere else downstairs, it's invisible speakers that you cannot see. So one day, when we finish, you're gonna come back and listen to them. Let's go into the master real quick. All right, so right here, not my phone, but there will be a T4 installed right here. We didn't install it because there's still dust and dirt, but there's gonna be a Control4 touchscreen installed right here that is gonna control every single aspect of this house. The 85-inch TV that's going up here, the speakers that are in the ceiling, the motorized smart shades that are gonna be over there, and also the invisible speakers in the bathroom. Now this bathroom, you gotta check out. More invisible speakers in here, and I keep saying invisible, and I need y'all to believe me that there's speakers up here because I can't prove it unless we upload some pictures and then takes away of the aesthetics of the video. But this is a beautiful bathroom. If we look into here, we're definitely gonna have a walk-in shower. When it comes to the closet, and let me be really careful because as you can see, we're in a construction site and they are painting. When it comes to budget, we are very, very conscious and every detail matters. If you look in this room, we have in-ceiling speakers that were installed. These were actually the Allura in-ceiling speakers. We wanted to keep budget down in certain rooms where there weren't gonna be any guests coming in and out of the house. So in here, we did standard speakers. Everywhere else, we did invisible speakers. Mirror, mirror on the wall. As you can see, we got a bunch of hidden compartments in this house. Can't take you in there because they're actually painting, but there is another room in this house, which is one of the coolest ones. And let's back you up this way. 2, right here. Open sesame. All right, let's go upstairs and check it out. I already gave y'all a big tour of this entire house, so if you wanna see the entire tour, go back and click on the previous video. Today, I'm mainly focusing on all of the updates, all of the new things that we have done here. We already trimmed out all of the windows that aren't going to be used. And as you can see, we're getting ready for smart windows That's a pretty backyard. Let's go out there real quick. All right, we're currently filming in acres of land. This is a 7,500 square foot home that is actually going to have a lot of entertaining going on out here. Eventually, there's gonna be a pool and some add-ons, but out here, we already installed the 8-inch in-ceiling speakers to cover this area and that area over there. Another thing that we did is we installed an outdoor access point. While you're out here, you wanna make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong, that the connection, not only to your house, is reliable, but to the world. Nowadays, without Wi-Fi, we cannot live. So make sure that you have a strong, reliable network. While we're talking about internet and stuff, join to the channel, subscribe. We're here to help. We're here to add value to your smart home. So if there is any question, leave them below. There's gonna be a lot of technology in this house. We get to highlight everything that we do. Audio, video, security, smart shades, you name it, we have done it here. And you definitely have to come back to see the final video. Like always, I appreciate you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, and like always, don't forget to look, listen, and live with Empire AV.